I think वो ठीक कराना, repairing and all of that. थोड़ा और पैसा दे के ऐसा PC खरीद लो.
Hi there. So we are gonna ask college students this one question: building a PC wrong or choosing one that is not the right one for you?
Purchasing one which might not align. I guess building my PC will be according to my needs and my favors and all that.
Yeah.
Probably I would buy a new PC and hire a professional to assemble it, so it would be better for me.
I think building your own PC. एक बार इधर उधर हो गया रिप्लेस करना होगा and machines महंगा आता है.
आपको क्या लगता है? Yeah, same. Like if you mess up one thing, पूरा का पूरा component खराब हो जाएगा. You have to start from scratch.
I think I would rather pay more money and invest for a lifelong time.
You don't need to worry about choosing the wrong PC or building the wrong one, because with CyberPower PC, you get the right build that suits you, whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or an editor. Just visit cyberpowerpc.in and get in touch.